Alright, so wish me luck, but I took out the CMOS battery and basically reset my BIOS to defaults, and now I just reinstalled Windows again. I'm gonna see if the screen crashes so you guys can watch what happens. Basically what was happening to me was the screen was crashing within like 10 or 15 seconds of reaching the desktop. So we're gonna see if it crashes again. I'm not sure if it's my RAM, because I looked at the BIOS and it said my RAM was like maximum capacity, like 16 gigs. But I have like what's it called? 6 pieces of RAM in my PC, so I mean, that should be more than 16 gigabytes. I don't know if it's because I did all the cores and stuff, and basically when I reset the RAM or whatever, you know how when you get into that page with boot up and it's like use all cores and you use maximum amount of RAM. I'm not sure if that's what caused it, but maybe my RAM's limited to 16 gigabytes, but I'm using more than 16 gigabytes. I don't know. Alright, so we're on the main screen. Now we'll just wait 10 seconds to see if anything happens. Hopefully nothing happens. Crossing my fingers here. I don't know if it's Windows updates. Like right now, I don't know if Windows is updating, but hopefully nothing happens. Also, I don't have 1920 by 1080. Could this be like a monitor issue? Oh, it says I have 23 gigabytes actually. So 23 gigabytes of RAM. Nothing's happening so far. I think we're good. I don't know why that Windows icon keeps loading something. Let's just do this quick. Turn on threat protection. But you see how my Windows key keeps doing that? I don't know, nothing's happened so far, so I think we're good. But if anything happens later on, I'll record it and tell you if anything like happens.